Welcome back. Today, we're walking you through the setup of the Charger 2, BLUETTI's first smart energy hub that draws power from both your car and the sun, delivering up to 1,200 watts of blazing fast charging. Plus, it hooks up to your BLUETTI power stations, battery packs, or DC hub, so your devices stay charged while camping or on the road. Follow along, and let's unlock true off-grid freedom. Unbox your Charger 2 and check all accessories. Make sure the bidirectional power cable fits your BLUETTI products. For other batteries, grab the right cable from our official website. To set up a complete system, you'll need a portable power station, solar panels, and a battery. For the best performance, we always recommend using BLUETTI gear. Also, have these tools ready. Before setup, take a moment to review all safety notes. All right, let's dive in. We're going to set up the Charger 2 in the trunk. Unscrew the base, lift the cover, and here's where the magic happens. Attach the tube terminals of the car battery cables to the alt ports, red to positive, black to negative, and tighten the screws. Connect the other end to your car battery. The battery's location may vary depending on the vehicle model. Most batteries are in the engine bay, so you'll need to route the car battery cables through the firewall. For a full wiring walkthrough, see the Charger 1 installation video. Install the fuse on the positive cable. Then connect the cables to your car battery. Positive to positive, negative to negative, and tighten securely. Now, match the polarities of the MC4 output cable's locking terminals with the CHG ports and secure them. Connect the MC4 connectors and plug the XT60 connector into your portable power station. Moving on to the solar setup. Plug the MC4 input cable into the PV ports and tighten. Connect the MC4 connectors to your installed solar panel until you hear click. If you want to connect multiple 12-volt or 24-volt DC devices, the DC hub makes it easy. Just hook its locking terminals to the DC panel ports on Charger 2 and tie in. Then plug the communication cable into the matching port. Use the BAT ports for your BLUETTI battery. The included bidirectional power cable works with B230, B300K, B300, B500K, and even portable power station like Apex 300. Secure the locking terminals and hook the other end to your BLUETTI battery. Simple. If your car has a smart alternator, pair it with the D+ signal cable for stable, efficient charging. First, turn off the vehicle ignition and locate your vehicle's fuse box. Test with multimeter to find the probe for D+ wire. Connect the D+ wire to a fuse and plug in the fuse. Once everything's in place, secure the Charger 2 with zip ties or self-tapping screws. Double-check everything and reinstall the cover. Start the engine. The Charger 2 powers up automatically. A solid green light means it's charging perfectly. Just press the DC hub's power button, and Charger 2 gets your DC devices going right away. Now pair your device in the BLUETTI app. You get a real-time view of your power flow, battery status, and more. It even detects devices and automatically adjusts the output voltage to fit your setup. You can also customize your charging just the way you like. If your car battery drains, no stress. It's got you covered with 800 watts of reverse power. For day-to-day care, Trickle Charge keeps your battery gently topped up. If it starts to wear down, enable pulse maintenance to improve performance and extend its lifespan. That's it. Your Charger 2 is ready to roll. See you next time.